Today is my birthday. How old are you? Live your dream by breaking the rules. Here's how. Is your age an issue? Should it matter how old you are? Can you be too young? Or maybe you're thinking that you're too old. And I'm not necessarily talking about homesteading and moving to the country. I'm talking about doing whatever it is you really want to do. Living your dream, whatever your dream might be. Today, I'm 61 years old. Oh man, I can't believe it. How old are you? Let me know in the comments. Okay, here's the deal. This is my thinking on living life and how to begin living your dream life. Birthdays are a perfect time to think about what your dream life really is. I truly believe the greatest challenge in life is to find the thing that you love. Most people have no idea what they want to do. They know that what they are doing right now isn't what they want, but they just can't figure out what they want, so they just go through life through the motions of their expected life. Please don't waste your time living somebody else's life. Break the rules and follow your heart. My family thinks of me as, how should I say it, different. Rob, he follows his own path, marches to the beat of his own drummer. He's not normal. Hey, never have been and hopefully never will be. I mean, look at me. Sometimes you just have to jump into the unknown with both feet. When we left everything we knew, left the comfort of a familiar home, and moved onto a sailboat, we had no idea what we were doing. I know everyone thought we were crazy, and in a way, they were right. People just couldn't understand why we wanted to live on a sailboat. We lived on our sailboat full-time, 365 days a year for 9 years. And you know what's really funny? After the 9 years, when we told people that we were moving off of the sailboat and moving to this homestead, the very same people that thought we were crazy for moving on a sailboat asked us why we wanted to stop living on a sailboat. Why? What you will discover is people don't like change. People like the comfort of things being the same, even when being the same isn't even what they want to do. The fear of change, the unknown, is holding them back. Life is about doing. Life is about action. Life is about having fun. If what you are doing right now isn't making you happy, it's time to do something different. Please never take life too seriously, because it's all just a game. It's all just a bunch of made-up rules, and hey, no one gets out alive anyway. As Ellen Goodman said, normal is getting dressed in clothes that you buy for work and driving through traffic in a car that you are still paying for in order to get to the job that you need to pay for the clothes and the car and the house that you leave vacant all day so you can afford to live in it. The rules of the normal world are created. They're made up by people to control other people. And you know there is more to live in life, so don't play by the rules. Break the rules. We want you to be doing what you want to be doing and not what the silly rules say you should be doing. If you have a friend, maybe with a birthday soon, and interested in breaking the rules, maybe living self-sufficient in the country on a homestead, please share this video with them. If you have any questions, ask. We truly want you to succeed. We want you to pursue your self-sufficient life dreams, living happy, living fun-loving, and living carefree. Live life doing it Yourself.